Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring numbers. Kids class name. Sky blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Brown color. Blue color. Green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use sky blue color. O-N-E-1. It's again use sky blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. TWO2. Kids night a tree. The numbers of 3. And use red color. THRW3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. FOUR4. Kids night a 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. FIVE5. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. SIX6. Kids night a 7. The numbers of 7. And use brown color. SEVE and 7. Kids again use brown color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. EIGHT 8. Kids night a 9. The numbers of 9. And use blue color. NINE9. It's again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. TE and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids night 13. The numbers of 13. And use sky blue color. Kids again use sky blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids night 15. The numbers of 15. And use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids night 17. The numbers of 17. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids night 19. The numbers of 19. And use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 20. The last numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.